Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. I am very happy that you are here today. Today, I want to share my story with you. It is about my family. I want to share it with love. I hope you enjoy it. This story is also about learning English. It is about simple daily practice. It shows how small actions can change your future. I want this story to motivate you. So please listen till the end. I know you will learn something useful. I live in a small town. My home is simple, but it is full of love. My family is small. There are 3 people: my father, my mother, and me. We are not rich, but we are truly happy. Our life is simple. We enjoy every moment. My father is a very hard-working man. Every morning, he wakes up early. He leaves for work before the sun rises. He works in an office. He helps many people. Even when he feels tired, he never complains. He always smiles. He says hard work always brings good results. His words stay in my heart. My mother is very kind. She is very gentle. She takes care of our home. She cooks tasty food every day. She helps me with my homework. When I feel sad, she hugs me. She says, "Don't worry, my son. Try again. You will do better." Her words give me strength. She understands me the most. My parents always tell me to study well. They say, "Education is your power. It will change your life." I listen to them carefully. I want to make them proud. Their support gives me hope. I study in a school in my town. The school is not very big, but it is very nice. The classrooms are clean. There is a playground. We play football and cricket there. There is also a library. It has many books. I love going there. My teachers are very good. They teach slowly. They teach clearly. They never get angry when we make mistakes. They always support us. My favorite subject is English. I like English. It connects me with the whole world. It opens many doors for me. My English teacher is my favorite teacher. He is kind. He is friendly. He always tells us, "English is easy if you practice every day." He gives us small tasks. He says, "Write 5 sentences daily. Speak English with your friends. Read 1 page every day." I try to remember his advice. I follow his advice. At school, I speak English with my friends. Sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we laugh. But our teacher says, "Mistakes help you learn. Don't stop." These words make me brave. After school, I come home. I wash my hands. My mother serves lunch. Then I rest for a short time. After that, I sit at my study table. I finish my homework. Then I start my English practice. First, I read a short English story. Then I write 5 new words. I make sentences with those words. I read my sentences aloud. This helps me speak better. These small steps make my English stronger. Sometimes I watch English cartoons. Sometimes I watch short English videos. I listen to how they speak. I copy their style. It is fun. I learn quickly. These videos make learning enjoyable. At night, my father sits with me. He asks me to tell a story in English. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. Sometimes I forget words. But my father smiles. He says, "Don't worry. You are doing great. Keep going." His smile gives me confidence. Every Sunday, I make my weekly plan. I write it in English. My plan is simple. Read 1 page daily. Write 5 new words. Make short sentences. Talk to myself in English. Listen to English audio or video. This plan helps me stay focused. I also write my goals. My big goal is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to other countries. I want to talk with people in English. I want to learn about new cultures. These dreams push me to practice more. Sometimes learning is not easy. Sometimes I feel lazy. Sometimes I feel tired. But I remember my teacher's words. Practice makes you perfect. So even when I feel sleepy, I read 1 page. This is my small promise to myself. I know this habit will change my life. I dream of becoming an English teacher. I want to teach young children. I want to tell them, don't be afraid. Speak slowly. Speak bravely. English is your friend. I want to help them, just like my teachers helped me. I also want to write my own English stories. I want to publish them in books. I want people around the world to read them. I want them to feel happy. I want them to feel inspired. Now, my dear friends, I want to tell you something. If I can learn English, you can too. I was very shy before. I was scared to speak. But now I practice every day. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I make mistakes, but I learn from them. Every day I feel a little more confident. Please don't give up. Read 1 page daily. Write 1 sentence daily. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Watch easy English videos. Repeat again and again. Do not feel shy. Do not feel afraid. We all make mistakes. Mistakes help us grow. They show we are learning something new. One day, you will speak English with confidence. You will talk to people from many countries. You will feel proud. You will feel happy. I believe in myself. I also believe in you. We can learn together. We can grow together. We can reach our dreams. Let us continue this journey with hope. Thank you so much for listening to my story. It was about my family, my school, and my English practice. I hope my story inspires you. Your support means a lot to me. Please keep practicing every day. Keep smiling. Keep reading. Keep speaking English. See you in my next story. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye. I hope you join me again next time.